Ambunge aya macemanĩtie mũkawa-inĩ ũmwe Limuru magĩthing'ĩrĩria mwandĩki mũnene wa kĩama kĩa UDA Hassan Omar kwĩyeheria kwaga ũguo omeyeherie.
We do not want explanations. We have rejected the half-hearted apology. We demand nothing less than the immediate and conditional resignation of Honorable Hassan Omar as the Secretary General of the UDA party. Should Hassan Omar fail to tender his resignation voluntarily within the next 48 hours, we will formally present a joint petition to our party leader, His Excellency President William Ruto, to invoke the party organs and officially dismiss him from the position.
Abunge Njuguna wa Wanjiku kuma Kiambaa, Aris Ng'ang'a wa Thika, Githua wa Macukuru na angĩ mũgwanja maheanĩte mũkana ũyũ nduko nini thutha wa aruna ao kuma Murang'a kũruta mũkana o ta ũyũ.
We don't want to see a repeat of 2007. Whatever Omar is trying to propagate, it is something that cannot be acceptable. And that's why we are saying as readers, he must resign. Because we represent the people that he's talking ill about or he's trying to profile.
Maugĩte mũtongoria wa kĩama gĩkĩ ũrĩa nĩwe president wa bũrũri William Ruto no nginyagia atacũkĩrie Hassan Omar ikinya.
We are going also to petition, if he doesn't resign, we are going to petition our president, who is the party leader.
Hassan Omar must now be measured by the same standard of accountability and honorable exit the position of Secretary General of the UDA party.
Abunge aya morĩtie Hassan gũkua mũtharaba wake o ta ũrĩa gavana wa Nyeri ehiũrĩirie mũcarica wake na kwĩyeheria ũtongoria-inĩ wa kanjũ ya magavana nĩguo kũhotithia honge iria ibatiĩ kũmũthũrima na kũmũkinyũkĩria ikinya rĩa watho gũthiĩ na mbere nĩ gũtuhũka mĩario ya gũcogera njatũkano rĩtwarithio na mbere.
If Omar doesn't resign, we cannot continue to be members of UDA if he continues to be the Secretary General, and we must petition the President so that at least he can action. We have seen, and Mheshimiwa Kagiri has read a statement saying even members of our own community, they have resigned from other positions because of profiling certain communities. So this must be the decision of the UDA. Even the UDA party must come up on board.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.